Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook salmon in an air fryer. First, choose fresh salmon fillets that are roughly 1 inch thick for even cooking. Pat them completely dry with paper towels. This crucial step helps achieve that delicious crispy skin. Then, lightly brush both sides of each fillet with about 1 teaspoon of olive oil. This simple preparation ensures your salmon cooks beautifully and doesn't stick. Now, let's infuse some incredible flavor into your salmon. A simple yet effective seasoning involves a generous sprinkle of sea salt, freshly ground black pepper, and a touch of garlic powder. For a more adventurous profile, try smoked paprika, a dash of onion powder, and perhaps a pinch of cayenne pepper. Finish by squeezing fresh lemon juice over the fillets or garnishing with fresh dill, adding a vibrant aroma and taste. Getting your air fryer ready is key for perfectly cooked salmon. Always preheat your appliance to 400 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 minutes. Carefully place the seasoned salmon fillets into the air fryer basket in a single layer, ensuring there is plenty of space for air circulation around each piece. Cook them for approximately 8 to 12 minutes, adjusting the time based on the fillet's thickness and your preferred doneness. Knowing when your salmon is perfectly cooked is simple. Use a meat thermometer to check the thickest part of the fillet. It should register 145 degrees Fahrenheit. Another good indicator is when the salmon flakes effortlessly with a fork in its center. After cooking, transfer the fillets to a plate and let them rest for about 5 minutes. This crucial resting period ensures the juices redistribute, keeping your salmon incredibly moist and flavorful.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.